Let's be real, getting eyelash extensions once every 2 months can be a bit of a chore, and it costs a lot too. Wouldn't it be much easier if we naturally have long and beautiful eyelashes? Hey girls, what's up? It's Rika here. Us girls at Beauty Insider have put together a long list of eyelash serums that you can try in order for you to grow your lashes naturally to make sure that it grows longer and more fuller. Now, eyelash serums are formulated to stimulate the growth of eyelashes. With regular usage, it can elongate the telogen phase of growth, and subsequently, it makes the eyelashes grow thicker. Alright, so the first eyelash serum that I would recommend would be the Eyelash Conditioning Serum. Using clinically proven ingredients like proprietary peptide complex, vitamin B, vitamin C, and E, and also hyaluronic acid, this eyelash serum aids in stimulating and promoting the healthy growth of your natural lashes. Not only that, but this product is also perfect for those with short, thin, and sparse eyelashes. Also, it is ideal for those who would frequently get their eyelashes done. And it helps to protect your eyelashes for better retention. Another great eyelash serum that is great in Singapore would be the Rraw Bamboo Serum Lash and Brow. Infused with castor oil, sweet almond oil, and vitamin E oil, this serum aids in the growth of your eyelashes and eyebrows. The serum is infused with natural sources of omega-6 fats, vitamins, and proteins that help promote the natural hair growth. For better results, apply multiple layers of this serum in the morning as well as evening, and watch your eyebrows and eyelashes grow beautifully. A lot of people's eyelashes started to grow more effectively once they start using the YUMI Lashes Growth Serum as well. Infused with castor oil, it helps to promote longer and fuller eyelashes, whereas helianthus aniseed oil and panthenol are added to the formulation for their nourishing and fortifying properties. Aloe vera extract and Rosmarinus officinalis leaf extract ensures that the lashes are kept longer in the hair follicle. Fun fact, the products that I mentioned just now are available at Inside the Mall, so you want to check them out right now in the description below. Other than that, you can find the Xlash Eyelash Serum at Inside the Mall. With a blend of ingredients such as Rhodiola rosea root extract and biotin, this serum is such in polysaccharides as well as amino acid that aids in helping you increase the growth rate of your lashes. The biotin that is infused in this serum is the one responsible for the darkening of the eyelash to give it a much fuller effect. The Xlash Eyelash Serum is formulated with only the best ingredients in order to keep your eyes safe. In addition to that, I highly recommend using the Eyelash Conditioning Serum. The great thing about this serum is that it is formulated with ingredients that are nourishing like provitamin B5, C, and E. The combination of these eyelashes gives you the effect of having conditioned and moisturized lashes that also grow at a rapid rate. Not only that, added in the serum is glycerin and aloe vera gel that helps to restore hydration back to your lashes. On top of that, you can opt for the Shiseido Japan Professional Adenovital Eyelash Serum Full Lash. This eyelash serum by Shiseido Professional is infused with the eyelash nurturing complex that is Shiseido's proprietary and patent ingredient. It is the key ingredient that is designed to encourage the growth of your eyelashes. Additionally, it also contains ingredients that are nourishing that helps to nurse your eyelashes back to its prime health and retain its color. This next serum comes in a very colorful packaging, yet it is a strong contender in our list, and it is none other than the HAShitomi Eyelash Serum. HAShitomi does not contain any prostaglandins, so it has the benefit to help achieve results within 14 to 28 days. If you love getting lash lifts and eyelash extensions, this serum is the one for you to keep your lashes healthy and strong. Imported from Japan, the HAShitomi Eyelash Serum is highly sought for amongst influencers in Singapore. You should also consider the Rapidlash Eyelash Eyebrow Enhancing Serum. Patients with glaucoma using this serum, they reported that their eyelashes grew after some time. The ingredient prostaglandin is easily found in eyelash serums like Rapidlash Eyelash Eyebrow Enhancing Serum. This serum is formulated with hexatin 1 complex to not only strengthen but also to moisturize your lashes. Another promising product would be the Premium Nature Eyelash Serum Eyebrow Enhancer. The blend of Myristal Pentapeptide 7 and Swiss apple cells will make your eyelashes grow not only longer but thicker and fast. The serum has been clinically tested and certified as hypoallergenic, which is perfect for those with sensitive skin. Not only that, this serum is perfect for those who are dealing with overplucking damages. Last but not least, I highly recommend using the RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner. Despite being on the pricier end of the spectrum, this is a one-of-a-kind ophthalmologist-developed lash conditioner is worth every penny. It can enhance the look of lashes and protect your lashes against breakage while improving health, flexibility, and strength for lashes that thrive naturally. This advanced formula stays put without running, and it only takes one swipe to fully coat the lashes. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below and share with us in the comment section on what other videos would you like me to create next. I would love to know. Sign up at Inside the Mall right now so that you get to shop and get rewarded. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!